Well, you might not guess it, but a company lots of investors have loved to hate recently actually gained on that big Facebook acquisition. BlackBerry. Shares shot up nearly 4% today on investor hopes that the $16 billion buy raises the value of BlackBerry Messenger Service, or BBM. That's the smartphone maker's mobile messaging operation, which has about 80 million users. Earnings after the bell from another titan of tech, Hewlett Packard, where CEO Meg Whitman's turnaround plans appear to be right in line. The nation's largest computer manufacturer earned 90 cents a share. That's 6 cents better than Wall Street's consensus. Revenues also beat the forecast, and the company even raised the low end of its full-year guidance. Shares were higher during the regular trading day, rising 2.5%, but little changed initially in late trading. Josh Lipton joins us now from Silicon Valley with more on Hewlett Packard's first quarter results. What did you see in those numbers, Josh?
Yeah, Tyler, HB besting estimates, as you mentioned. The number that a lot of investors will concentrate on is the results in its personal systems business, or its PC business. And there, revenue was up about 4% year over year. Now, the consumer side of that business, Tyler, that was down, and no surprise there. We all know that consumers moving to a world where they're switching from PCs to mobile devices, smartphones, tablets. But the commercial side of that business did see an increase, so maybe the PC isn't dead and just yet, and that would be, of course, good news for HP. The personal systems segment does still account for about 30% of the company's total revenue, Tyler.
You know, Josh, as so much of computing moves to the tablet format, HP had a failing tablet, which they had to fold up some years ago. Do you think they regret doing that now?
Well, I think, listen, if you are a believer in HP, and remember, Tyler, the move that stock has had has been just dramatic. It is up about 8% this year. It's up about 80% in the past 12 months. I think that investors believe in Meg Whitman's turnaround game plan, her focus on shoring up the balance sheet, cutting costs, returning cash to shareholders, and to your point, focusing on new products. I was on the conference call. She focused a lot on that, whether it's private cloud, or she also did talk about mobile devices, the new phablets they're selling in India, Tyler.
Interesting. Josh Lipton, thanks very much.